Sam, where are we? Placerville?
Yeah.
What are we going to take a picture of?
Bell.
A bell, that's right. We are in Placerville, California, and right in the middle of the square in the middle of Main Street, and the old bell tower is going to ring the 12 o'clock hour in just a little bit. There's a bunch of really cool places here. That building there, down that way on the other side of the bell tower, houses Placerville Hardware Store, which I believe is the second oldest hardware store in existence west of the Mississippi. We'll go tour that another day. So we're now waiting for the noon hour. The bell is actually about 4 or 5 minutes fast, so we're here early. And I'm not sure how old this bell is. I think it dates back to the early 1900s. What are you doing, Sam? Are you waiting?
Yeah.
You want me to look at the bell?
Yeah.
Okay. Should be starting in any minute now.
Hey.
I don't know, that sounded like more than 12 to me. I'm gonna have to go home and count them. Sam, what do you say?
Deeper.
Thank you, you're welcome. Sam, what's on your shirt?
Ooh.
Yeah, that's the Duluth Lift Bridge, isn't it? From Duluth, Minnesota. Sam, should we come back some other day and
Yeah.
tour some stores here?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.